Are you ready to unlock the door to digital wealth? Introducing the Keystone Investors Club. Last year alone, this revolutionary asset returned a staggering 1,466% to its investors. Imagine the possibilities. And the best part, you don't need a hefty investment to get started. With as little as $10, you can test the waters and begin your journey towards financial freedom. Forget about spending hours glued to your computer screen trading stocks or securities. The Keystone Investors Club offers a hands-free approach to wealth building. Worried about your lack of experience? Don't be. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Keystone Investors Club empowers you to earn returns ranging from 28% to an astounding 1,466% and beyond. Don't miss out on this opportunity to join the Keystone Investors Club today. Your journey to financial success starts now.